Are you missing the Inetpp Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. While preparing the manual steps for Inetpp Library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Inetpp Library, the Internet Print Provider module. It manages localized HTTP-based print job spooling and protocol handshakes. It facilitates the localized communication between the Windows print spooler and remote localized IPP, Internet Printing Protocol printers over a network. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like Inetpp Library DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Inetpp library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like Inetpp Library DLL in your System32 folder. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. Instead of manual troubleshooting, you may review automated diagnostic options referenced below for Inetpp Library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Inetpp Library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.